there a barber shop beside the school?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
Was there a post office near the bank?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
Was there a train station near the bank?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
Was there a library across from the bridge?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
Was there a hotel across from the bridge?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
How much roast beef did you have? I had one slice. How many slices? One slice. I have one slice of roast beef. How much chicken soup did you have? I had 2 bowls. How many bowls? 2 bowls. I have 2 bowls of chicken soup. How much roast beef did you have? I had 3 batters. How many batters? 3 batters. I have 3 batters of roast beef. How much iced tea did you have? I had 4 glasses. How many glasses? 4 glasses. I have 4 glasses of iced tea. I stayed home by myself, by yourself. She stayed home by herself, by herself. He did laundry by yourself, by yourself. They did laundry by themselves, by themselves. I walked to school by myself, by yourself. He walked to school by herself, by himself. We took the bus by ourselves, by yourself. They took the bus by themselves, by themselves. Do you ever drive a sports car? Yes, I often drive a sports car. Do you ever have an accident? No, I never have an accident. Do you ever borrow makeup? Yes, I usually borrow makeup. Do you ever wear a wig? No, I hardly ever wear a wig. Do you ever talk on the phone? Yes, I always talk on the phone. Do you ever get a sunburn? Yes, I drive a sport. Do you get a sunburn? How often do you...
انت عدت لحن الرابعة.
انت عارف ايه بتاع الرابعة؟
هو غيرها دي غيرها ولا هي؟
لا
هي؟ ده انا عارف مفتوح.
Hello, my name is Judy. I'm 11 years old. Conversation time. Hi, Kareem, what are you doing? I'm helping Mr. Khalid to clean up the music room. He is getting ready for the concert. Can I help you? Sure, you come on the bus. But in the window. Ah, I can lift it myself. So heavy. Here, I'll take it. Look out, there is a box behind you. What's going on in here? Or clean up. Number 2. Conversation time. 182 with an emergency. Help! There is something in my garbage. What is it? I think it's well done, Imal. I can see eyes. What's your name and address? Ahmed Sami, 49 Salon Street. Are your parents home? No, they went to cinema and taking care of my little sister. What should I do? Stay calm. I'm saving an officer now.
Hello, I am Miriam. I roo in my yellow boot. Up to the moon. I roo in the night. Up to the light. Up to the moon. On Tuesday and in my boot I have lots of fruit. A tooth, apple, and my new blue boots. I roo in my yellow boot up to the moon on Tuesday.